Here's how to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to start chatting with people through WhatsApp, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of downloading and installing the app. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, head into the App Store here. So tap on the App Store. And once you have signed in at the top right, you can tap on that to make sure you're signed into your account to be able to get those apps on there. We're going to tap on search at the very bottom right. Now from here, all we need to do is search for WhatsApp and hit search. And from here, you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Now I'm going to tap to download it and install this. This might ask you for your Face ID or to enter in your Apple ID password. As well, it might not allow you to download and install it. If it doesn't allow you to install it, you're going to tap on settings here. And we're going to scroll down until we get to screen time. And then scroll down again until we get to content and privacy restrictions. Essentially, there could be some restrictions that limit your ability to download and install apps. So you might just want to toggle this off to make sure that you can download the WhatsApp app. Now, after we've done that, you can see it shows up on my home screen. If you don't see it there, you can always swipe over and search for it in the app library. Just search for WhatsApp and open it up. Now it says agree and continue to the terms of service. I'm just going to hit agree and I'm going to hit allow notifications. And now you'll have to enter in your phone number to link it to WhatsApp. So I'm going to enter in my phone number and hit next. And then it will go through the process of setting up my account. So I previously had an account, so it just allows me to restore it from my iCloud. However, if you didn't have an account, it'll just walk you through these steps. Now I'm going to hit restore here, and it will take all of those old messages, photos, text, all that stuff, and it will bring it back onto my device, onto WhatsApp. Keep in mind, all of these are regularly backed up through iCloud. Let's hit next here, and I'll allow it to use my contacts and share all. Now you can see my name and my profile picture here. I can edit those, but let's just hit done. If you're just setting up your account, you might want to add in your name and your profile picture. And then I don't need to verify my email. I'll just hit not now. And just like that, I have set everything up. Of course, I already have a bunch of text messages on here, but if you didn't, this is the chat feature. You can just tap the little green plus at the top right, and you can start chatting with whoever else is on WhatsApp who has been linked from your contacts onto the app. You can start chatting with them there instead of messages or Messenger or anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.